Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Uba ALHEC ubolong Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla baru MLA jog pinthor kra constituency hakar khunda trik leber arajar phusan bla play pat ba ek first futsal knockout tournament bla pinlong na William Carey University Haji Ataf Norman Song Hakani ke lumpung ilaka ke bla play pat ba hakani ke sngi bat ke ban kod hado ka khandai trik uya yong arajar phusan kidan hado lai pu atli kin hon ke bla shim binta ke bekin thop arkin hon na William Carey University Kajing semua balapan long yang kena lempung ilaka ke long men pinchlo lagi samla banyak shimbenta hagi jing ilaka banyo ek met ke phat ke bakot bakhya hagi jing plepat ba kena lempung ilaka lasa khilang da ke vice chancellor jang ke William Carey University ke professor Dr. Soma Bhauming kino hikai ba ke samla pule kakum gajing bentep da ke nong penyat ke khusnam na ke benta ke kinhon ke bayo rai ke nam la do ke longsan phawajar da ke song pisa kat baga kinhon ke buan baat ke nyo ya ke song pisa ke baat phawajar
This program, we have with us one of our the most enthusiastic supporter, Sri ALHEC sir, who actually needs no introduction. He is the chief guest of this very, very significant university program today. Honorable Cabinet Minister, Government of Meghalaya, and a very, very important member of the Legislative Assembly, Meghalaya. Sri ALHEC sir is our pride and our local MLA. Thank you so much, sir, that you are here with us. We know how public leaders, how they are busy, but still that you are here with us, it means a lot to us, and we are full of gratitude. Sir, to bring to your kind attention and in furthering the awareness about National Education Policy 2020 in line with the UGC, Ministry of Education, Government of India and Government of Meghalaya, we have again, as we do in every university program, put up an NEP desk at the ground for the benefit of the members of the public, parents, guardians and youth of the locality. Warm welcome to the leaders and members of all the participating teams in the tournament, and believe me, I support every one of you, each team. May the best team win and we all enjoy the matches in the coming weeks. The university is also being represented by the Registrar, Dr. Richard, Deputy Registrar, Dr. Angeline Lindo, and other important officers of the university. Esteemed members of the Darbar Shnong, who has been very kind enough to grant permission to us, members of the public, of the communities around here, especially Nongnang Song, Demsiniong, Umkadet, and other places here, warm wishes to each one of you from the University Chancellor and the management.
When I saw all the clubs participating in this, going to be participating in the tournament, it reminds me to the G20 summit. The G20 summit, if you remember, any one of you, what is the theme of the G20 summit? The theme of the G20 summit is the world is one family. Vasudhaiva Kutumbukum. We are all human beings. That's why we are saying the G Summit, the theme of the G Summit is the world is one family. We should not be a differentiate among one community to another community, one religion to another religion. We are all human beings and we are one. That's why we said the world is one family. As you all studying here in the William Carey University, as you are all aware that the Nongmun Song, is a locality which is a cosmopolitan locality with all the community and live it together. They know how to live it together. We should not be differentiated, as I said before. Everyone's a human being. We are all one. That's why we said that the G20 team is a very, very heart-touching for me. The world is one family. So once again, I'd like to thank the student, the faculty, the non-teaching staff, the teaching staff, all the participants for inviting me today, and I wish all the best for all the participants. Today I think they are playing the university team and also the Magnificent Seven. I don't know from which area they are, Magnificent Seven, but I wish you all the best for both the team. But the playing is not to win or lose. The playing is not to win and lose. The playing is to get together, to know each other together, not only to win the tournament or to win the match, but it is to win each other from the minds of all our community who are living in this society. So therefore, I will not take much of your time, and I wish all the best for all the participating team. Not only today, I think we're having every Saturday. So many teams are playing, and I wish all the best to all of you. And also, I saw that the talents which last time also I visited your campus. There's so many talented are been there in this our society in your William Carey University.
I declare today, the 29th March 2025, the tournament organized by the William Carey University is open.